Batate vade. Welcome to my kitchen. Hello friends, let's make batate vade today. For spicy batate vada, you need 5 big boiled potatoes, 1 big onion, 1 inch of ginger and 4 to 5 green chilies, 1 small whole garlic and 1 tablespoon of dried curry leaves. Here I have dried. Then you also need cilantro, coriander leaves, nearly half a cup chopped, 1 full cup of besan, that is gram flour, and 1/4 cup of rice flour, salt and turmeric. Now we have to chop onion into big pieces, in cubes. Then we have to make a paste out of these spicy chilies, 4 to 5, 1 whole small garlic and 1 inch of ginger with some salt in it, nearly 1 teaspoon salt. Also we need to mash the potatoes, and we'll start with making the dough for frying ready with some gram flour and little bit of rice flour. So I'm making dough for frying ready, 1 full cup of gram flour, and I'm taking 2 tablespoons of rice flour. I'm adding here half teaspoon each, half a teaspoon of salt, turmeric, carom seeds, that is ajwain, and asafoetida. Let's make a mixture to fry our batate vada. This is gram flour and rice flour. Into it I'm adding salt, turmeric, carom seeds, that is ajwain, and asafoetida, hing. If you don't have hing, just omit it, skip it. Mix this. And now add half cup water and make a thick consistency mixture. So this is the consistency we are looking for, because we will keep it aside, this mixture, and just before frying I'll add 2 teaspoons of hot oil, extra hot oil from the pan. Now everything is ready. Our ginger garlic chili paste is ready. Onions are chopped. Let's mash potatoes now. Mash potatoes with the potato masher. Normally when potatoes are hot or lukewarm, you can mash it better. You can also mash with hands if you don't have potato masher. Just it should be warm and well cooked. So it's ready. So now the potatoes are also ready. Let's just make the mixture ready. We'll fry it in hot oil. First ginger garlic paste, then onion, then curry leaves and potato with turmeric and salt. Alright, add 2 tablespoons of oil in a hot pan. Now here is 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and turmeric and 1 tablespoon of dried curry leaves. Let's add it in the hot oil quickly. Fry for few seconds, 10 to 15. Now add ginger garlic chili paste and fry for 1 minute. Splash some water. Fry well till you get a good strong garlic smell. Yes, the strong smell of garlic now. Add chopped onions and fry for 2 minutes. Now add all your potatoes after 2 to 3 minutes of frying and mix well. Add enough salt, nearly 1 to 2 teaspoons as per your taste, and switch off the flame. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. This lime juice is must in batate vada, and also curry leaves are must. This is 1 tablespoon, nearly enough. Mix it properly. The stove is off. Now just make some small balls, dip into batter which we made earlier and fry in the hot oil. This will make nearly 25 batate vadas, not so big. Add cilantro, half a cup chopped, only when the mixture is lukewarm, not so hot. Otherwise the color won't stay fresh. Make small balls like this, not too big, because still there is a coating on top of it, and it's going to be bigger than when you fry. So this is enough. This big. Now just dip into this batter and fry in hot oil. Add extra hot oil into our batter, 1 tablespoon. This will make our batate vade crispy. Dip into batter, coat it fully, and here. Fry quickly. Put them all till it's golden brown. Fry it again. So our first batch is finished. We are looking for this color, golden brown. Now repeat the same process for our second batch. One by one, dip it in the batter and fry it in the hot oil. Okay, now our second batch is done. Take it out all and let's serve it. All right, all our batate vada are ready. Let's serve it now. Batate vada is singular, batate vade plural. Let's serve batate vade. Looking great. 4 per person at least, with some garlic chutney. and some ketchup, or if you like you can have it with green chutney also. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.